Welcome. If I had to start over in 2025 with $0, no audience, and no special skills, here's exactly how I'd make my first $1,000 online. No fluff. No get-rich-quick nonsense. Just a real plan that works. Let's break it down, step by step. Step 1. Pick a skill or platform. Day 1 to 2. The first thing I'd do is pick a path. Not 5 things, just one. Here are a few I'd consider. Selling digital products on Etsy, starting a faceless YouTube channel, becoming a freelance content writer, affiliate marketing, using a free blog, offering AI-powered services on Fiverr or Upwork. The key here is to pick one that has 1. Low to zero upfront cost. 2. High demand. 3. The ability to grow into passive income later. For this example, let's say I choose digital products on Etsy because it's scalable and cheap to start. Step 2. Learn the basics for free. Day 2 to 4. I wouldn't pay for a course right away. Instead, I'd watch YouTube tutorials, read Reddit threads, and use ChatGPT to fill in gaps. For Etsy, I'd learn what digital products are trending, planners, templates, etc. How to create them using Canva or Notion, how to upload and optimize listings. The goal: in 48 hours, know enough to launch version 1.0. Step 3. Create my first product. Day 4 to 5. Now I'd create something simple but valuable. For example, a weekly planner template, a goal tracker, a Notion productivity board, a wedding budget spreadsheet. Tools I'd use: Canva, free plan is enough. Google Sheets, Notion, ChatGPT. To help with copy, I'd keep it minimal, one product, but make it look good and useful. Step 4. Open a store and upload it. Day 6. I'd open a free Etsy account and upload my product. No inventory. No shipping. Just a downloadable file. I'd write a clear title, a helpful description, and use all 13 tags. I'd also create 3 to 5 mock-up images to show what the product looks like in use. Optional. Use tools like eRank or Everbee to find better keywords. Step 5. Promote it for free. Days 7 to 14. At this point, I have a product live, but no traffic yet. Here's what I'd do. Create a Pinterest account and pin my product using Canva images. Post short-form videos on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, faceless style. Join Facebook groups and help people. Linking to my store in the bio. Ask ChatGPT to help write SEO-friendly product descriptions. You don't need to go viral. Just get 5 to 10 clicks per day to start. Step 6. Reinforce what works. Week 3 plus. If the first product gets a few views or a sale, I'd double down. That means creating 2 to 3 more similar products, offering bundles, optimizing based on feedback, slowly raising prices if demand increases. Remember, one digital file can sell 10, 100 or 1,000 times. The work is front-loaded, but scalable. Step 7. Repeat plus reinvest. Month 2 to 3. With a few sales under my belt, I'd reinvest in better mock-up tools, like Placeit. Paid Etsy ads, $1 - 2 per day. More design assets or templates. I'd also test starting a free Notion template store, publishing on Gumroad or Payhip, building an email list with freebies. By this point, it's not just making money, it's building a digital business. Outro. So, if I had to start from zero in 2025, this is exactly how I do it. Learn. Build. Launch. Promote. Repeat. No overnight success. Just smart, simple steps that stack up over time. If you're serious about earning online, start now. Subscribe to WealthFlow Media for more strategies like this. And comment below. What would you do with $0 and a laptop? See you in the next video.